everybody, welcome back to my channel. It has been an awful long time since I posted a video, but I am back and I have a couple of updates that I want to make today and just give you a bit of a life update as well. So the reason I have disappeared completely from this channel is because I have recently gone through a breakup. After 20 years, I am now no longer with my ex-partner, and that has taken me a couple of months to adjust to, and I have just been totally neglecting my planners, if I'm honest. But I am starting back my master's next week, and because of that I really want to get myself organized in home, financial and academic planners, and start making some content again for you guys. So if you're returning again, thank you very much. And if you haven't already subscribed, I would really appreciate if you do so. So today I am going to be setting up my Gillio Compagna as my wallet and everyday carry. I'll be moving some of the inserts out of this on-the-go work planner as I haven't really been using this one. So yeah, come along with me as I set it up. So I think I will start by just taking everything out of both of the planners and see what I want to keep in then. So I've been really missing having a wallet and on the go because I like to do my cash stuffing during the week for, you know, for groceries and things, and I've been using a small little purse and it really just isn't helping me with to-do lists or with shopping lists or anything like that. So I'm going to start all over again and see how this goes. Okay, so I think I will take these dashboards. Every ending is the start to a new beginning, and that's very apt given I just shared that my relationship has ended. So I suppose given that my relationship has ended, it is going to take me a couple of months to adjust to having just one source of income now. So maybe that will be helpful when I am doing budgeting videos, that I could share some of that and trying to get myself back on my feet financially. Okay, so in the schedule section, I'm going to add some daily sheets. And I'm going to put in some notes and lists. I'll do a mixture of graph and dotted grid. Finances then, I think I will add in the cash envelopes in here. So in my cash envelope section, I have petrol for my car, bills for the week ahead, miscellaneous, which is for personal money, and planners. And that's the money I save up for spending on stationery. And I also have one for groceries. Okay. So then I need my side tabs, and I had purchased some vellum side tabs, which I think I will use again for this. So in here I had work, and I just have some notes in there, lists, actually I might put some of these list sheets, they're nicer. Goals, And I've got a habit tracker, a monthly habit tracker, goals planners, and daily habits. And I've started walking, guys, so I've actually really started to exercise, which I'm happy about, so I can track some of that. Projects. I'll put some of the project management sheets. Social media. Following trackers. And then miscellaneous for passwords. And let me just see if I have anything else to add in here from miscellaneous. Yeah. So I'll just cover that up with a dashboard so that it doesn't get shared. Okay, and then I will want the rulers in a while. Now I need my calendar section. And perhaps some envelopes at the back for when I have notes, etc. I want to keep in there. And my page flags. Okay, so in the calendar section then, so schedule. Let's go back here. So I can take out this today ruler. I have a today top tab. I'll use that instead. And then we have the month of September, which we are currently in, and the month top tab. And then this week. So today is the 13th, I think. Yeah. So we have this week in there. And then behind that, I will put the remainder of the months. October, November, December. Okay. Let me see how this is looking. Very good. Okay, so far we have inbox, schedule, brings me to today, this month, this week, remainder of the months. We've got notes, finances with my envelopes in there, a section for work, lists, goals, projects, social media, and miscellaneous. Okay. I'm going to add in my card in the back here. And one of my student cards, even though I need to get a new student card now because I've changed colleges again. And I can put my cash in here. And sort these out. Okay, now I have an awful lot of stuff left over. Let me see, do I want to add anything else? So expenses in finances. Yes, I might add some actual finance sheets. inbox and outbox tab. Do I want to do those? Let me see. I might add the inbox tab and the outbox. I can add this year at a glance in the schedule section. Some of the vellum as well I might want, and some of these dashboards. Wellness. Okay, I think that'll do for now. So let me see some of these lists. Wish list items to add or consider. Planner shops. Projects, vellum. And let me check. Where could I put this? Maybe here. In the outbox. Okay. So this is pretty full. Let me just see how it feels. Okay, I'm liking this. It's chunky, it's full, but it's feeling really nice to hold. Okay, so do I need any more rulers? So I have or anything else adding, I wonder, in here. So inbox, outbox, schedule, today, this month, this week, notes, finances, and then my side tabs. Okay, I think that will do. There's one thing I didn't like about this, and the fact that the pen got all inked up. I'm sure it'll be okay. And this can be put aside as I'm no longer using that. Okay, so there you have my refreshed wallet in my Gillio Compagna. I hope you enjoyed this video, and please stick around where next up I'll be sorting out an academic planner for the semester ahead.